back at the 100 Thieves compound. They invited me over. Today they're gonna shoot a type racer video with the Valorant team, and they wanted me to hopefully school these Valorant players. Let's see if I can perform today. We're in the Valorant training room. Got all these keyboards prepped.
Like keyboards.
For all the players. I don't know how fast these guys type. Do you know if they're fast typists? I don't want to embarrass myself today. We're setting up these keyboards right now. This is what the 100 Thieves compound looks like. Valorant team is finishing up the launch. There's Eco right there. Let's check out the gear they're using. They're using some Sony cams. Wow. Wow. Check this out. This is what one of the best esports orgs films with. One of the BPs for today. All this audio gear. Wow. In the compound they have like stream rooms that like the 100 Thieves players can just come and stream from. Sheesh! Look at their setups. There's just pods everywhere. All this streaming gear. The entire Valorant team is here. Oh my goodness, I'm fanboying so hard right now.
I think we probably just placed it. I think we're just writing the name. If I had to guess.
How come it's Hebrew? Is it for an Israeli?
No, just for aesthetics. Yeah.
It's actually kind of sick.
Yeah,
Letting Eco touch one of my boys.
Feel this. It's
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Wait, no, I gotta feel it.
Dude, it's gotta be like.
You wouldn't expect it. He's like,
It's like 15 pounds.
oh my god.
10 pounds.
They like it.
What sucks being
Well, okay.
It's kind of cool. Like, can't travel with it, but it's like cool.
Oh, my Nitro's typing on my board.
Did you build that from here?
Setting up the bracketing.
Average.
Type sideways.
Well, average is like
And apparently I'm gonna get the buy-in for the first round.
125.
Okay, that's your turn.
It's probably the trade in the world. You have to type all.
I appreciate the thought, you know. Sure.
So cute.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
They're starting to warm up.
The space bar.
I mean, like, I'm ready to be a part of this 100 Thieves video.
Type Racer Challenge. We are joined by our lovely, beautiful friend Taeha Types.
Yep.
The producers of the show went and randomly drew the bracket. Let's take a quick look at that bracket, flip her around.
We're high.
We're high.
Hi, Brett. We're about to start rolling.
This boy over here.
Both are short.
That was not me. Hey guys, it's Hiko here, and today I'm with the 100 Thieves Valorant team, and we're going to be doing the High Ground Type Racer Challenge. We're joined by a special guest, Taeha Types, and the producers of the show actually went ahead and randomly drew the bracket. Let's take a quick look at that bracket. Moment of truth.
You could just flip it, no? Why are you splitting it?
So, we have Asuna versus Ethan first round. We have Hiko versus Boy. We have Nitro versus Seven. And of course, Taeha with the first round bye. Let's get to typing.
One take. Wow. This is what it takes to be a professional like Eco.
Is that like a decimal point in there? Like 17.0? Or?
It's just one trial. Whoa.
That's the one short one.
Oh shit. Nah, this keyboard is great.
Oh, someone's fast.
Dude, this keyboard's so bad.
Warm up, and then the keyboard feels more.
Alright, Hiko versus Boy.
Oh, and they're off to the races. It seems like Boy's taking the lead in a battle between giants.
Oh no, I trolled.
Oh! Well, I mean, you guys did all respect them.
1 out of 6.
You messed up 6 times in 4 words.
I'm a little scared. I normally don't do type racer. And Asuna, the first round winner, he's decently fast. Broke 100. I think he got a 111.
This can be the battle between
Hiko just got eliminated. Boy, Hiko pretty nervous.
Alright, so this is a battle between Jetmates. Don't fuck up, guys.
Ready when you guys are.
I can't. Every word.
I hear the speed.
Dude!
Boy.
What happened?
Nitro won?
He forgot where the period is.
This is like the finals.
It's like I'm fighting Nitro next. It's like
Camera
this is semifinals already.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Oh my god. Dude, I couldn't find the period.
Spencer.
Oh, look at the battle with the big dogs.
This is nerve wracking.
Don't choke. I mean, this is your
Take it
keyboard.
deeper.
You're in your comfort zone. You're in home turf.
You got this now.
Oh no, you lost.
What? Dude. Hey, you guys are neck and neck.
Mental block. Definitely a mental block.
That is a long.
Dude. And that's game.
Oh my, that was so nerve wracking.
I mean, Nick did level up. It was like a ramp up for him.
Aaron, you might actually have a chance here.
Yeah, I'm not used to this.
I normally don't type punctuations.
Did you win?
I think.
Yeah, you won.
Yeah,
Yeah.
oh, the winner
Finals, baby.
by unanimous decision.
Alright.
Oh my god, you guys have one more chapter.
Oh, the watch is off.
Wow.
I've joined the race.
Dude. Oh my. And music my ears.
Because it's getting harder.
Yeah, I understand what you're reading.
I can't see the words. My tongue. You don't know?
Wait, can I actually change keyboards? Maybe I'm just a bad practice.
Admit defeat. This is the best of three.
One more. Go
This
again.
is the thing.
Oh man.
Two.
Oh my goodness. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's what won this.
The choke.
I didn't.
Oh no.
Oh, whoa. That's not good.
No. GG. Champion.
You're
GG.
really good at typing. You're the best typer I've ever battled against.
I'll see you at Worlds.
Yeah.
Worlds? This wasn't
That was me. I did that. Yeah, I got stomped on.
The boy won. Ooh.
That boy.
Alright, I just lost to make 100 Thieves look good in this
First
video.
constant shoot and he wins.
Yeah.
Coincidence? I think not. Riggs.
I think Aaron has to do the outro.
No, I'm not.
I ended up winning second place, but I lost on purpose to make 100 Thieves look good for their video. So I lost on purpose. So 100 Thieves video had to make them look good. No, but they actually typed pretty well.
Some arms crossed, pro player vibes.
Oh, this is how it's done.
Let's do the.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing
Oh,
it.
you're not doing
No,
it.
no, that's a troll one.
What are some
I think the typical.
Yeah.
That's so great.
So crazy. I love it.
All right, just finished the shoot, so I'm about to head home. It was a great experience. Never been in an esports video like this before, but pretty cool that I got to hang out with the 100 Thieves Valorant team. Even more surreal that I finally met Hiko and Nitro. They're two players that I've been watching since the glory days of CS:GO. So very unreal, surreal. Got some pictures with the team as well. Got to hang out, and they're also great typists. I got schooled. Just kidding. I did not get schooled. I just had to make 100 Thieves look good. But yeah, great to meet the whole Valorant team. And thank you, Damien, again for inviting me to the shoot as well. Should be up on the 100 Thieves channel, so go check it out. And that's probably it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next one, see you nerds.